And then finally, number 10, seek mentorship and support. Now, if you're watching this, you've already engaged with the Trade Mastermind, so you know you need help. You've hit your ceiling and you can't get any further on your own, and you won't go any further on your own. Me and my team are here to help you every step of the way. We know the ins and outs and all of the intricacies of running a trade business, scaling a trade business across all sectors in all trades out there in the market. We know the margins, the cash flows, the marketing, the people, the strategies, the systems, and so much more. So you've got to come to the Trade Mastermind. You've got to join the Trade Mastermind. You've got to join one of our academies if you want to scale up and grow. It's the only way for you to get to the next level. You won't do it on your own, and I am a product of the product. I only tell you to do what I have done, and I'm investing at a huge scale to get to the next level. So I'm not asking you to do something that Joseph wouldn't do. The only reason Joseph has been able to achieve this great success is because of the personal investment in me and the growth of my business and my operating model. So to recap, we want you to transition to getting off the tools. It's the only way to build a scalable business. You need to get your marketing right, your sales right, your systems right, your numbers right. You've got to get around great people, get a great mentor, get training, invest in yourself, and most importantly, take action. If you're watching this video and you think that everything I've said has resonated with you and you're like, Joseph is absolutely bang on. The ones that get success do something right now. The ones that don't, just go back to doing what they're always doing. So if you've got that itch, that dream, that desire for growth, that's God's way of telling you that it's possible. But you are the one that's got to do the work. Even if you join our training programs, we aren't going to do the work for you, but we will give you a step-by-step blueprint and guide with all the support that you could possibly use, with a proven system, process, and strategy that's guaranteed to get you results, get you off the tools, and build you the life that you want, need, and deserve. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to pull the trigger, make a move. You're one decision away from a completely different life.